So you need some help with your finances and you really don't have the money to put in your budget to hire a financial coach or to hire a life coach or hire a financial advisor, someone to help kind of guide you along the way to reach your financial goals. If you are an employee, I have a secret advantage that you just might be missing out on for you to be able to get some free financial coaching and advice just by a simple few clicks or phone call. Let's go.
The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Meloni.
Hi everyone, it's Sophia Melanie, the Debt Demolisher, here to bring you the tools, tips, and tricks to help you manage your financial baggage the right way. Today, I want to share with you some secret insight on how you could possibly obtain financial coaching, get some financial assistance for free. A lot of times we need that one-on-one type of accountability to help us reach our financial goals, but we may not necessarily have the financial resources to hire someone to aid us along the way. If you are an employee and you work for an employer where you are getting benefits, listen, you have the option to leverage your employer's employee assistance program. This is called EAP. EAP is a benefits program or benefits platform that a lot of companies offer to help create work-life balance, to allow their employees to be more productive and not be distracted with life. Most companies have these benefits plans that's already paid and sponsored by them. So if you are someone who needs assistance in financial coaching, if you are someone who needs assistance just with getting your life together, if you're someone who don't know what to do in terms of making decisions around caregiving or legal advice or different things. There's a host of information that's available to you, even mental health and caregiving and counseling and things of that nature. That is available through your EAP program. A lot of times people don't know this, and if they do know this, they are afraid to take advantage of it. Let me tell you that EAP is a confidential program. Even though your employer is sponsoring it, it's a part of the benefits package that is already a part of the compensation that you're getting paid. You might as well go ahead and leverage it. Even though that they're paying for it and it's sponsored by them, it still has to be confidential. They cannot go back and tell your employer like, oh, you signed up for a coaching session, or oh, you're having issues with your finances. That breaks privacy rules. So what the EAP program is designed to do is to help you be a better overall employee, not only for you to have healthy work-life balance in your own personal life, but so that you can be the best employee for the company that you work for. At the end of the day, they're trying to create a win-win situation. And I think a lot of us have a skeptic mindset when it comes to EAP because we don't want to be stigmatized. Let me tell you, I have no shame in my game. I leverage EAP, honey, especially with all of the issues and the challenges that I've been dealing with caregiving for my mom and my mental health, how it has declined. Listen, I hopped on EAP like it was nobody's business. And let me tell you, the counseling has helped me, the therapy has helped me. They have a lot of information that's available for you if you just pick up the phone or you go onto the website and you log into your profile and you click and order the stuff and it'll get sent to you. No problem. I have signed up for webinars. I have signed up for meditations. I have signed up for therapy. I have signed up for even legal advice. It is available, right? It is available. It's a part of your benefits package. Like I said, a lot of times people don't really realize this, but a part of your compensation package or a part of your compensation employee benefits is everything that the employer pays on your behalf anyway. So if someone is already paying for it and it's a part of your compensation, you might as well go ahead and leverage the resources that are available to you. Do not be ashamed or do not feel like you'll be stigmatized because you called EAP. That's nothing for anyone to find out. Go ahead, take advantage of the information and the resources that are available so that you can get the help that you need at a budget-friendly price. Now, if you have the resources and you want to hire somebody to facilitate your financial coaching needs, to help you with legal counseling, to help you with therapy, by all means, do that. But if you are on a budget and if you don't have the financial means to get that outside help, and you're already working a full-time 9 to 5 and you're already receiving employee benefits, call them up. Like, call them up. Stop playing. You're paying for it. I mean, you're not really paying for it, but it's a part of your compensation. So if somebody's paying for it, you might as well go ahead and leverage it so that you can get the help that you need to get your finances on track without having to break your own pockets too much. So what I want to advise you to do is go to your HR department, ask them about their employee assistance program or ask them about their employee resources program, whatever it may be called. It may be called something else. Find out what's available through your company. Now, some companies have better packages or EAP packages than others, but it doesn't hurt to find out what's available and take everything that you can get, but as long as you use whatever it is that you can get. So here's what I want to show you real quick. So it's as simple as this: going onto Google and just typing in EAP benefits. This will allow you to see what EAP is, what it stands for, what are some of the companies that actually offer the EAP plans to the company that you work for. And you can kind of see what it is that they provide and what it is that they kind of do and what it's meant to be, right? So an EAP program is voluntary. It's a work-based program that offers free and confidential assessments, short-term counseling referrals, and follow-up services to employees who have personal and or work-related problems. Now, this means that it doesn't matter what it is. If it's work related or if it's personal, you can still get assistance. So one of the things that I did was I just kind of clicked on some of the links from the Google search just to kind of show you that you can see this is what EAP is all about. It's about helping you with 24-hour professional help, giving you some type of assistance with emotional or stress related problems, securing that work-life balance. This is just one university's program, but this isn't necessarily what this university offers as a service. It's really what EAP package that this university has for its staff. So you see on their benefits page, they have all of the benefits that's available, and then EAP is there and it has everything pretty much listed under there. If we go to another web page, this is Paychecks, and they talk about the benefits of employee assistance programs. What is an EAP? What it typically includes. Like I said, you guys, mental health issues, health and caregiving, family services, counseling referrals, substance abuse, financial services. Come on, somebody. EAP services can connect employees with help to improve financial wellness. So that's giving you budgeting advice, that's giving you healthy spending habits, that's helping you with loan consolidation, debt repayment, setting up emergency funds, and so much more, as well as work-related issues. So this is exactly what I just explained to you guys, that EAP is there to service you and to help you in that you are able to be the best employee that you can be for them. Another one, again, it can specialize in attorneys, child care and elder care providers, finding financial advisors, psychologists or psychiatrists, therapists, nutritionists, other clinicians. So you don't always have to immediately jump out there and hire a coach and spend thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars to sit and talk to someone. You can get access to a professional through your job. Like, take advantage of it. Like, come on, like, take advantage of it. That helps you with health issues, physical and mental, relationship, parenting, grief, stress management, emotional distress, like I said, financial issues, legal issues, wellness and nutrition, workplace changes, substance abuse. And so it is totally, totally, totally out there and available. This is another organization that actually offers the EAP programs to the company. So this is some of the packages and things that they say that they can provide. They actually have life coaching in theirs, which I think is cool. They have phone-based support that's 24 hours, leadership to help you with your career, workplace meditation. Oh my gosh, I think that's awesome. Culture audit, crisis response. So this is a pretty good package just by seeing everything that's available. Identity theft restoration, wow, that's pretty cool. Financial counseling, here it is, financial consultations. So again, EAP is considered a wellness benefit, so make sure that you take advantage of it. They have webinars, they have a lot of resources and things that are available to you. It's just a matter of you going in and taking advantage of those things. So don't be afraid of reaching out to your employee assistance program. Find out what benefits that they have, what could possibly help you. You could get the financial help that you need without procuring it outside of your own budget. Why not leverage what you already have access to? There's no need to be ashamed. Use what's available. Just see what they have, just out of curiosity. Sign up for a training, sign up for a webinar. They give you access to the replays, they give you access to maybe even other counselors that can help you further on a one-on-one basis. They may even give you referrals of places or nonprofit organizations that you could possibly go to where you can get more long-term financial coaching or assistance at no cost. So you do your due diligence and you make sure that you take advantage of what is already available to you. Okay, so that is it for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you timestamp your favorite part in the comments. And not only that, hit the like button because it helps the channel, and subscribe if you have not already done so. Make sure that you come back for some more financial gems because your financial prosperity awaits you, and so does your financial sanity. Until next time, bye.
The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Meloni. The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Meloni. The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia